What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue a theme of transparent molecular food, and we're going to make a variation on the famous El Bulli dish consommé fettuccine. In our case, it's gonna be sweet and sour noodles. Without further ado, let's move on. For our transparent noodles recipe, we will need sugar, water, vinegar, soy sauce, salt, ketchup, and agar agar. Step number 1. Mix all ingredients all together in a medium-sized saucepan and whisk thoroughly. Step number 2. Bring the mixture to boil. And step number 3. Pour the mixture over a baking tray and put it in the fridge to cool down for a few minutes. And for the garnish, let's make some toasted nori flakes. Finally, our tray with sweet and sour mixture had been completely chilled, and now we can proceed and cut our noodles and plate. Okay guys, our weird looking molecular sweet and sour noodle slash rice dish is ready. I hope you liked it and it gave you some ideas and inspirations. Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!